Martin said to his man, 5 and 5. Martin said to his man, who's the fool now? Martin said to his man, fill thou the cup and I the can. Thou art well drunken man, who's the fool now? Well, I saw the man in the moon, 5 and 5. I saw the man in the moon, who's the fool now? Saw the man in the moon, shining up St. Peter's shoe. Thou art well drunken man, who's the fool now? Well, I saw the mouse chase the cat, 5 and 5. I saw the mouse chase the cat, who's the fool now? Saw the mouse chase the cat, then the cheese ate the rat. Thou art well drunken man, who's the fool now? Who's the fool now? Tell me who's the fool now? Fill thou the cup and I the can. Who's the fool now? Who's the fool now? Tell me who's the fool now? Fill thou the cup and I the can. Who's the fool now? Well, I saw the hare chase the hound, 5 and 5. Saw the hare chase the hound, who's the fool now? Saw the hare chase the hound, 20 feet above the ground. Thou art well drunken man, who's the fool now? This is everybody's favorite verse. Do you want to take a solo on it, Hela? Well, I saw the maid milk a bull, 5 and 5. I saw the maid milk a bull, who's the fool now? I saw the maid milk a bull, with every stroke a bucket full. Thou art well drunken man, who's the fool now? Who's the fool now? Tell me who's the fool now? Fill thou the cup and I the can. Who's the fool now? Who's the fool now? Tell me who's the fool now? Fill thou the cup and I the can. Who's the fool now? Well, Martin said to his man, 5 and 5. Martin said to his man, who's the fool now? Martin said to his man, fill thou the cup and I the can. Thou art well drunken man, who's the fool now? Who's the fool now? Tell me who's the fool now? Fill thou the cup and I the can. Who's the fool now? Who's the fool now? Tell me who's the fool now? Fill thou the cup and I the can.